Stay tuned for more cooking videos, more recipes, and I hope you stay with us for a long time. We got garden videos, cooking videos, and our family life. Tanya and Ronnie, and thank you for watching. Hope you stay with us for a long time at the Best Home Cooking on YouTube. Bye. We're going to make some garden peas. We already got them washed. We got some garden potatoes. We're going to stick them in here. We're going to pull our peas out pretty soon because we're done tired of eating them. We've ate them, I think today will be probably 8 times, and we're done with them. We're going to pull them up, and they look like they're dying out there too. But we still got some peas out and back that we might get another 2 or 3 messes, and then I'll stick them in the freezer. But right now, no, I don't want no more. I've had my fill of them. Now, I don't care to have them if you're going to stick them in the freezer. No, I don't care to have them like that. That way I can eat them when I want to. Four teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder in with our peas and our taters. Now we're going to put some pepper. I'm not going to put no salt because you know the bouillon powder's got salt in it. Now we're going to put this on sealing, and we're going to pressure cook for 1 hour. And I think that's what we're going to do. Try it for 1 hour. Because I've never made them in here, so I don't know. Okay, we got some corn on the cob. We're going to shuck these right quick. Now, you can put them in the microwave like this for 5 minutes, and it'll shuck every bit of it off, hair and all, but I don't want them like that today. I just want to cook them in some water and go on. Ronnie's out there on the lawnmower, so that's what y'all hear. Gotta have a garbage bowl. These was 33 cents. At Walmart. Might change my mind after I shuck all these, whether I'm going to do them in the microwave or not. So, I don't know. We're going to refill our container up. We got some elbow macaronis. This is something we don't eat much anymore, is macaronis or anything like that. You might see us every once in a while eat spaghetti or something. We don't eat much of it. We used to love it for every day, but not no more. The older we get, we just don't care for pasta much anymore. And what pasta we do cook, and we eat out of it one time, then we stick it in the freezer to cook other meals. We just don't eat a whole bunch of pasta no more. I guess the older you get, the more less you want any pasta. But today I'm going to pick some macaroni and tomatoes. So I'm excited for that. One day I'm going to try to make my own pasta here when I get feeling a little bit better. I'm going to make my own pasta. I got the pasta maker and all to do it with. Okay, we're going to try to cut our corn off the cob. Makes it easier to fry. Then you can save the corn things, the corn husk, and you can make cream corn with them. But I don't want cream corn. I don't like cream corn. Ronnie does, but I don't. I'm just glad to get corn. I love corn on the cob, or any kind of corn, really. I'll be back when I get all these cut off. Just went out and picked them. That's another pound of peas. Gonna get these peas ready to put in the freezer while we're waiting on our other peas get done. Okay, we're gonna put our pound of peas in the freezer. We'll just start off with a little old sandwich baggie. Make sure you wash them before you put them in there, and make sure you wash them before you cook them. Push all the air out. And the more you get, you can add it to that baggie. And we will have more. We labeled peas 20, 26. And these will be good for a year in the freezer. If you double bag them like I'm doing. We're going to see if this is done or not. Woo, got a facial. Got a facial. Push it on saute to get the juice come down some. They are done. Okay, we got our corn off the cob. Now we're gonna warm it up. We got some butter melted. We're gonna stick it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. It's already been rinsed, washed, and all. Okay, and our water or macaronis. We're gonna put some pepper. Some salt. That's the only time you get to salt your noodles when they're cooking. And we're going to put a little bit of butter in them. Let them cook. Gotta let this heat up, and then when it comes up to a boil, then we'll add our noodles. Okay, let's spray our iron skillet for our corn. And we're gonna melt some butter for our corn. Okay, our water's boiling, so we're gonna add our noodles. We're gonna add a cup of macaronis. You might can make more if you need more for your family. But that's all we need for ours. Now, if you have anything of this left, the next day you can make goulash with it. Add hamburger and onions and tomatoes and sauce. And there you go. There's your another thing to make out of your leftover macaronis. Okay. Now we got our corn out of the microwave. Turn it down and let it just simmer because it's already done. You cooked it while you had it in the microwave. Our macaroni is going to take 8 to 10 minutes. This corn looks good. I love drowning mine in butter. I got mine turned down on low, and my macaroni is almost done. Okay, our macaroni's about done, so we're going to pour the water out and pour the juice in. Okay, pour the tomato and our tomato juice that I canned up. And now we're going to add some tomato bouillon powder. 1 teaspoon. And then we're going to add some ketchup. We got our canned up Heinz ketchup. We canned up ourselves, made it with our tomatoes. Just going to give a little bit of more flavor. Our macaronis. Chicken made in the air fryer, macaroni, tomatoes, peas and taters, and corn. This is all good. Thanks for watching. Bye.